today we talk about how can you select image quality on your WordPress app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click on your name down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You click on app settings here, just click on it. You come to this list, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just click on image quality here, you just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then here can you select your image quality here, then you click on OK. So then here automatically it's going to add with you here on your WordPress app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.